Hey Kickstarter, I am filming this 3 days before May 21st, launch day and World Meditation Day, marking the beginning of our journey together. Kids today need our helping hand and heart. This crazy world continues to get ever more stimulating and overwhelming, but it's bearing down on kids that lack years of social emotional learning due to lockdowns and socially distanced play. Tech and screens obviously are not helping with the confusion and emotional struggles either. I don't have the whole solution to this issue, but I've got a hopeful start. And that's why I'm asking for your help. According to a report by McMaster Children's Hospital published in March 2021, since the pandemic, the frequency and severity of youth suicide attempts have tripled. Youth substance abuse has doubled, and eating disorders have increased 90%. That is what I was up against as a teacher, trying to do my job delivering curriculum. My name is Tyler Boyle, founder of Dreamwalkers Meditations. I was a teacher for 20 years and I left the gig this year with a dream of having a greater impact on children's mental health, more than just one classroom at a time. As a meditator myself, I started the Dreamwalkers Meditation Club at the school. And as our enrollment grew, students started inviting their parents to join us on their lunch break from work, and my teaching colleagues began joining us for a much needed brain break as well. From there, I started publishing my own guided meditations on YouTube. And as the reputation of the positive effects that Dreamwalkers was having on students' behavioral and emotional health began to spread, entire school boards started to reach out to ask how they could implement the program as well. From this, Calm Kids, Calm Classrooms was born. I needed to create something tangible that might benefit more than just teachers. I needed something that would help validate and enrich kids' meditation experience, and I needed something that would connect heart-centered learning with school curricula. Here's how to use this book. Step 1, use Calm Kids, Calm Classrooms to learn about, then teach the 5 S's of meditation: silence, space, stillness, breathe, and share. Step 2, log on to YouTube and press play on one of over 100 guided meditations designed specifically for kids. Step 3, meditate. Step 4, come together and talk about the meditation experience. Step 5, have the young ones complete one of over 100 social emotional learning resources available in Calm Kids, Calm Classrooms. Each one aligns directly with the meditation that you just listened to. Step 6, do it all again tomorrow. Scroll down on our Kickstarter page to the impact section and learn about the mind-blowing stats about the impressive effects of meditation on our young people, specifically in schools. It's always been a dream of mine to publish a book, and I had no idea that my first book would be one with such ambitious mission and with the potential to make a difference to so many. Let me know your feedback, because I'm so willing to hear how we could make this the absolute best, most comprehensive, most effective guidebook for youth workers everywhere. I hope you'll join me on this exciting new adventure, making this crazy world a little easier and a little lighter for today's young people.